She's on the ground from an angle, a catfish. Hollywood devil, not an angel. Her bag is Chanel, but she drive a Durango. Yeah, and I'm getting to the case, so woke and I'm hip to the game.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, back again with your new favorite series, this Hypebox series. This Hypebox comes to us from soulsteals.com. Soulsteals.com is a membership website where you pay $19.99 a month for the opportunity, not the box. The box doesn't cost $19.99. You pay for the membership to get the opportunity to buy hype boxes. Hype boxes come in different tiers. There's a $250, a $500, a $750, a $1,000. I remember before we used to get $2,000 boxes and that was insane. But it seems like 1,000 is pretty much where the cap is at now. They don't only have hype boxes though. I mean, they have a lot of other stuff too. They got discounted shoes, like way discounted shoes. They also got clothes and stuff on there as well. And sometimes they even drop beater boxes on there. And if you guys don't know, beater boxes are very hard to get because you guys need a limited membership for that one through the Soul Supremacy website. Not Soul Steel, Soul Supremacy. There's two websites. Yeah, but anyway, you need a separate membership for that website in order to buy the huge beater boxes that we do as well. Soul Steel's memberships give you the opportunity to not only get hype boxes, but sometimes, it's not every week, you can get beater boxes too. But yeah, I mean, for 20 bucks a month to buy these things, I think it's a pretty good deal. I've noticed a lot of other people have been starting to get on the hype boxes as well. One of the bigger ones that you guys probably already know is Sneakerhead in the Bay. He recently did a hype box video and I thought that was super sick, man. Like, it's cool to see one of the OG guys getting into the hype boxes, and it was just really cool, like, seeing his different reaction on boxes and whatnot. You guys see my reactions on stuff. It's kind of cool to get other people's perspectives, and it seems like a lot of people are getting into the hype boxes now, so that's pretty dope. So far, these are the only mystery boxes I trust though, because I know for a fact you can make some money on reselling these things if you don't like what you get in the box, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, enough talking. I know that was kind of long-winded. This is a $250 box. $250 lower tier, but I know you guys like seeing this box. $250 is what's manageable for a lot of people. It's still a lot of money, but it's a lot better than the 1,000. So $250 box. Let's get right into it. Okay, here we go. So a lot smaller than what we usually see. Is there only 3 items in here? Seems like there's only 3 items. This first item is a Supreme shirt. What shirt is this? I think this is a Supreme Molotov shirt. Molotov or something. It looks like a Molotov cocktail. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure that's what it is. It is in a size large, and everything that you get in these boxes is new, brand new, unworn. I think there might be an option where eventually you can get like lightly used stuff, but that's like a preference you can pick. So yeah, this is pretty dope. Not something that I would wear. I told you guys in the past, I'm not really big on like these bigger graphics that Supreme does. So yeah, not really sure about this, and I don't know what the resale value is on this. But you guys can see the counter on the screen. I make all of that stuff after I'm done like opening the box, because obviously I don't know like what a Molotov is going for off the top of my head. Next out, this is nice. Oh, okay, right on. So this is the North Face Supreme shoulder bag. You can see right there, shoulder bag. It's in that gold, metallic gold kind of look. And yeah, these things retail for $66, but I know that they're going for at least 100 something now. So that's basically half the value of the box. So that's pretty dope. I'm not really big on shoulder bags. I kind of think that they're like man purses to an extent. So I don't think I can keep this one. I've talked about it in the past. I don't know why. I'll wear backpacks and even like fanny packs sometimes, but not, I don't know. I've just never been on that shoulder bag grind, I guess. It is a nice piece though. I like that. Oh, never mind. I see something else though. 4 items actually in here. This is just a very small item. You guys can see right there. It's a Supreme toothbrush. This is the free item that came out with the 2017 drops for Supreme. Literally just a mini disposable toothbrush. I think these go for like 20 bucks or something. No reason for that either. But you know, if it says Supreme on it, it sells for a lot of money, even if it's just that little toothbrush thing. I don't know, man. And the last thing that we got in here, I'm surprised because I didn't think they could fit a shoebox in with the $250 boxes, but here it is. This is the Yeezy Power Phase in a size 11. Okay, so of course it's gonna be the black colorway. That's the one that came out most recent. And I'm thinking that the resale value on like the black Calabasas, it's just not as great as the white or the gray right now. If it doesn't have boost, it's not really great for a Yeezy, it seems like. Blushes have been doing not as bad as I thought, and Wave Runners, they do have boost in them, so they're doing a little bit better. But when it comes to like stuff like this or his like boots that he just released and things like that, they seem to kind of flop. If it doesn't have like huge Yeezy branding over it, or it's like easily recognizable, then it's pretty much a bust, I feel like, because this from far away just looks like a typical black like loafer kind of setup even. Yeah, anyway, the leather is really soft on these though, so that is one nice thing about it. 4 items, I don't know what the value is over here, but off the top of my head, I'm pretty sure that just the shoes and the North Face bag is pretty much my money back. So pretty much anything else you sell after that is gonna be pure profit. So that's that for the hype box, man. I hope you guys get into it. It's pretty fun. It's not a guarantee that you're gonna get a box every single week though, so trust me, like, you really need like trigger fingers when you're like on the computer on Sunday to drop, because they go quick. It's limited, and yeah, it's not guaranteed every single week. What you are guaranteed though is that you'll get shoes and stuff no matter what, because those drop continuously. So stay up to date. Check out the Soul Steals app as well. They have like an app now that's pretty dope. It shows you when they drop and when they release new shoes and things like that. So I think that's pretty cool. And if you guys want to see other Hypebox videos, I'd highly suggest you guys hit that subscribe button down below. Also, be sure to check the link in the description to Sneakerhead in the Bays channel. Hopefully he gets on the Hypebox grind and we can start seeing more boxes of him as well, because yeah, that was pretty fun. And it's nice seeing other people's perspectives, like I said. So check that out. Anyway, until next time though, stay humble, stay blessed. Take care, guys. Aloha, I'll see you. Shoots!